Sir, there is one student of the freelance school who asked me whether I'm using Grammarly as a tool for me to correct my grammar. Kasi technically guys, hindi rin ako magaling sa grammar. Kung makikita nyo rin yung mga English-Englishan ko dito sa YouTube vlog ko, kung nakikita nyo yung mga Facebook post ko or yung YouTube description ko, nakikita nyo naman na mali-mali yung grammar ko pag nagva-vlog ako, di ba? So, I'm really not claiming na magaling ako sa English. Pero it still can work, as a social media manager, writing descriptions, writing for people, like for my clients, for prospects, or for my friends sometimes, when I offer my services for free, for those people who cannot pay me, because there are some. Yeah, I'm using Grammarly as my tool for me to use in order for me to correct my English. Kasi alam ko, yun yung kadalasan na medyo nahihirapan tayo, no? Hindi naman natin maiiwasan yun. Nakatara tayo sa Pilipinas, di naman natin first language ang English. Kaya, syempre, mataas yung potential na nagkakabarok-barok ka din, ano? Lalo na kapag live, kagaya nito. So, kaya nga hindi English tong vlog ko eh. Kaya nga Tagalog to eh, di ba? Minsan nag-i-English-English ako, pero napapansin nyo, sumisemplang yung grammar ko. Minsan natatawa nga rin ako sa sarili ko kasi ang parang, ano mo yun, parang may bobo side ka in a way. So yun, just use Grammarly, guys. If you're writing for description for people, like for other people, social media, if you are a writer, if you are a content creator, if you're a content writer, you can use Grammarly in order for you to correct your grammar, no? Para hindi na kayo mahirapan eh kasi minsan yan yung nagiging balakid no sa mga kagaya kong mga virtual assistant, mga social media manager is that nahihirapan tayong magawa yung trabaho natin or nahihirapan tayong magdesisyon para gawin itong trabaho na to or magdesisyon bilang na kunin itong trabaho na to is because we are not skilled on our language. We are not adept to English language. But you don't need to be great. You don't need to be a native English speaker in order for you to write those descriptions because there are already applications that can correct your English. There are already applications out there that you can use, and it's fucking free. I mean, it's free, guys. You just need to try it out. You just need to um, use it for yourself. When meron kasing ano yan, yung Grammarly kasi may plugin yan eh. You can attach it to a document, you can attach it to YouTube, no? May plugin yan, may extension yan sa browser nyo na kapag naka-activate yung Grammarly is nakikita nyo yung correction. Pag may wrong grammar, nakikita agad ni Grammarly and you can correct it. So, darating yung point na hindi mo na talaga iisipin na kailangan mong maging magaling sa English in order for you to do your job, especially if you are a social media manager and you're writing content for your clients, or if you are a Facebook manager or Facebook group manager and you are replying to comments of people like na pa-English, syempre mga kliyente natin, mga Aussie, mga Europeans, mga America, I do understand. And when replying to them, all you just need is Grammarly in order for you to make sure, no, para 100% yung confidence level mo is 100% na pag nag-reply ka, hindi makikita ni client mo na incompetent ka because mali yung grammar mo. You just need to use this tool. No? It's given to us. It's free. If you want to buy the premium, if you are a content writer or yung mga writer ka, if you want to buy the premium, para mas gumanda yung sulat mo, okay lang. Pero you don't need to. You just need to get that free version of Grammarly and just use it for your grammar. Okay, guys, if you like this video, click the like button and um, hit the subscribe button. Consider subscribing in order for you to get notified on my next video. And by the way, guys, I also have a free 10-day VA training, 10-day virtual assistant training that I offer to people who want to become a VA, want to be trained. I also leave that in the description below in order for you to access it. Thank you and have a nice day.